PMJVK nasepna en thading in Minority Affairs at Union Minister of State John Barlad ningasung Manipur kol zinding in Imphal tungta. Rims at liter sing khat adding pressure swing absorption PSA oxygen plant khat le renal replacement therapy CRRT machine khat to ni Minority Affairs at Union Minister of State John Barla le Rajya Sabha MP lengpa sanajawba le simba in hondo na ne. Vahui TV Vaiphei News and Tutezo se Mary SUANTAK in Chibai Kahunbo here. Chanchin Thakla Khom Akim Zon Alain Hitio. Manipura Pradhan Mantri Jan Vikas Karyakram PMJVK Noya Nasepna Te and Thading in Union Minister of State Minority Affairs John Barla Ningasung Manipur Holjinna Nading in Jani Imphal Hongtungta Ahi. Ningasung Holjinna Ahin Churchanpur Kangpopi Senapati Le Ukrul District at PMJVK Noya Nasepte and Thading Ahi. Union Minister of State John Barla in Ningas Imphal Ahung Tuntun in Agriculture Minister O Lukhoi, Tribal Affairs Minister Bungjagin Valte, Muhammad Anwar Hussain, MOBC Director Bhogendra Meite, State Secretary K. Inausa Devi, National Secretary Del Sonten Vaidona Alaneuhi. Union Minister of State John Barla in State Ahung Tunzonung in Chief Minister N. Birento Kimuto Ding Ahiu. Regional Institute of Medical Science Rimsa Liter Sing Khat Ading Pressure Swing Absorption PSA Oxygen Plant Khatle Rimsa Nephrology Department Athaga Kihkoi Continuous Renal Replacement Therapy CRRT Machine Khatuni Minority Affairs at Union Minister of State John Barla Le Rajya Sabha MP Lengpa Sanajawba Le Simba in Hondona Alaneita Ohi. Prime Minister Care Fund Noi at Kisem PSA Oxygen Plant Hondona Hunmat na Chun RIMS Director Professor A. Santa, RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor N. Sanjeev, Institute at Nursing Le Dental College Principal Staff Le Jilaiten Ala Ubu Ahi. Hun kimat na Minority Affairs at Union Minister of State John Barla in again na Chun tunihi PM Care Fund Noya India Pumpi Hope in Oxygen Plant Somtum Lenga Hondo na hun matahi. Jilaga Manipura kapan thehi bangpha ka kisahi. India mipi zosi oxygen kita subject bangse na tuk long na ding ngai tu na in Prime Minister in Eswina ahung nei ahi. Tuni hondo oxygen plant hin igamsung oxygen tak sab na apat hung somdol ma mading ahi. Jejuto Institute at Mite Hinna Hu Hing Nading in Patsum Ngai Taga Panpi Mama Ding Ahitai. Rimsa Kita Samle Til Poimo Mte Sukbutin Nading in Azot Hating Ting Health Minister Tud in Institute Hi Ahoy Zodik Nading Apan Latu Alapang Ding Ahitin John Barlachun again here.
चले हम देश का इसी तरह आप लोग ने जिस प्रकार से बीते दिन सेवा किया है, चले आने वाला दिन भी हम प्रधानमंत्री को और मजबूत करने के लिए हम सब सहयोग करके सबका साथ, सबका विकास और सबका विश्वास और आप सबका सहयोग लेके हम देश को ऊंचा ले जाएंगे।
PSA Oxygen Plant Hondo na hun madzo in Rimsa Nephrology Department Athaga Kibul Continuous Renal Replacement Therapy CRRT Machine Khatle Minister of State John Barla le Rajya Sabha MP Lengpa Sanajawba le Simbaten Hondo na Alaneyu ahi. Igam Arts and Culture chule Sports lama khanto gol ahin. Academic lam in le akhang to ahi. Academic lama akhanto ding ahin. Government in pan alajing ahi tin CM Biren in again ahi. Jehun mat na CM in again na achun Sainik School Imphal apat in India gamun chuma defense lama sepna mu tawa hi Manipura khang thakte hi the na ho hi ipung buku ahi chun midang te phala loading ahi
kitang hujik bibam jo kitang phara barni na ne adabu ai ngasa haje bodo hujik positivity rate se 5.6 kum lai ri ado kitang 2 3 adoi yara normal tana budi honage adabu kitang 100 pangai ke
Jegachun July UPSC exam nom atam jegahin UPSC coaching athona kai theina ding akihong hi Sainik school numeiten le ajil thei uhi ki pagum takahi Manipur numeite hi theina hi khobel injana apik thei khopu hi Manipur numeite hin maban ale igam a ding in min phatna hung tunjel ding uhi kinepi takahi
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯃ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ पर कैपिटा ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯁꯨ आप भी मालूम होगा रिसेंटली हम लोग यहाँ से 14-15 बॉयज SSB एग्जाम पास तौरकांदा आर्मी की कमीशन के दिया अदुना अखोइदा लेरिबा टैलेंट recently also we got 6 UPSC exam pass from this state 6 from this teeny 30 lakhs population state aduna akhoi gi leiriba talent sing asi fajana synchronize torokanda groom torogadi unrest the last only 4 years mukta idea koi da kitang peaceful life academic atmosphere life ki value gi life other han mamang leiramba da khange like strike burn blockade you know even the academic atmosphere were severely impacted aduna koi human resource masi koi phajana tap torga groom to budar human resource ki chu government si ang kanna akoi concentrate tori honori
Tuni numeite hostel saknading ahin panpi theina chana ki panpi ding ahi tin CM Biren chun again ahi school hong na ding to kisai a thuthak lakhomte dot na anei naw a hiti hin again hi covid positive rate hi 5.60 vel in a positive rate hi nile thum ho vel ahung hi tak le school hong chu hi theiding ahi tin CM Biren chun again hi Golden Jubilee program manga ahung na chun CM Biren chun ama sapen ding in July numei som ading in hostel kisil na le dailen book ding ahung dok ahi chule numei July te ading in permanent hostel ding le hon na ahung nei malam hi Khonunga mipi phatchom na ding ngai to political party itile Bharatiya Janata Party BJP tilo party dang umlo ahi tin party president adhikari mayum Sarda Devi chun again hi Jethu hi khangabo mandal te gungal na sangayum pham idiga community hall a kimang seva or samarpam abhiyan huna chun e Sarda in alagen ahi hun matna a e Sarda in again na chun India a BJP ki vaipok na BJP vaipok na masang a gambai hom tu khat chan le tu nung a mipite adinga phachum gongal na khatle alabol lo u ahiu BJP vaipok na alaki boldo zero balance account PMJJY PMSBY te ho hi phachum pi theingen ahi Jigol gongal na ho hi masanga gambai puten pakhat jingle alabol lo ahiu zero balance account chungchang in he chin na neilo taking in BJP to kikal party ken khaten zo in mi alathem seku ahi ko hitale BJP in abol welfare scheme te munai lo le thu chen hello ten ikeng naya BJP office khat pen pena kan thei ahi tin Sarda Devi chun chilna abol hi Achita tarik khata thobal athokpam makha sanga farm khata sajika pusal khat gucha hi ti a soisaga ala umjeka khoni te ki kala boina ala ping chu jani gen khomna ala nei in kilemna le ala nei taw hi doi lo thil so hi farm ngak ten het hil le pilwan lo jeka thil tung a hi jegol thil so hi tunung ale umki lo na ding in ki holem na le ala nei uitin social worker yum nam basnat in alagen hi tuni gen khom na chun sanga yum pham part 2 a member farm nei tu le farm and call tu te le alapang wa hi wildlife nature and humanity existence kiti theme a 66 tin na wildlife week jani Technopal forest division gungal na office complex a hun khatmat alahi hun kimat na chun divisional forest officer Technopal Dr. L. Jesili range forest officer Machi Marson Anal range forest officer headquarter Tipu Raj Toizam le Range Forest Officer More Ngangom Nandabir Ten Jinja in Alapang Wahi. Tengnopal District School Chum Ngate apang apat Hungkom Jilai Now Pang Somgo Velpan Na Hun Kimat Na Chun Wildlife to Kisai online slogan competition le quiz competition gun alahi. Jechuto Kiton in Tel Soma Chung Nachangte King in Loman Hopi alahi. Tutha Tarik Li Janda Git Vela Hero Part 3 Taurang Bam Vengsung Nupitek Site King a Congress worker Niten Jem Sat go in Congress worker Lite Mipite Doi in Meithal Akap na chung o Ajik Mipite King a Malam Theipen a Kisuk Thin na Hungnei Ding in Hero Part 2 Taurang Bam Vengsung Mera Pai Bi Thokchom Ong Bi Bimala in Chanchin Lakom taking in again here. Tuthak la khomte to kimutu a bimola in again na chun jeni a kinil na khat a umjeka torang bam vengsung mera pai biten thildoi umlo ta khatle kikala khatle khat kikala ki he thim lo na a umlo ding doi na jeka vengsung mejok namun a meisel dom in chut mun in bentup na nei alahi jehun achun Congress worker mina kiti numei khatin khamthei mang in mera pai bi nupi tek se taking achun jeta hi kagam sung a hi mera pai bi te thei pon lauti a kinak na ahung pa jeka thilsok chu alatung a hi tin again hi Jani October 6 2021 in Imphal Pastor Bill Choir album kaha na lalpati hondona New Lambulan Presbyterian Church at nei in alam hi tangbal linlal sim Bill KKP leader in Jehun matna puihoina in choir convener tangbal THANGMOHAN le Bill KKP assistant secretary tangbal henjo sangte kipat in album hun pin don dan le panlak dan chule choir din mun report ngai thak na nei hi Upa ngul nei kam Imphal Pastor Bill chairman in album hondo na aneya tucha ge na le anei bok hi hun mat sung in IPBC te akipat in choi hoina la pani ngai thak hi pi hoiting chairman Bill KNP in hun khak na pau chap na nei in program mat jo hi IPBC hi Mizoram Presbyterian Church Manipur area noya Imphal Pastor Bill le Bill Christian Khanglai Paul et kol na noya din a hi National Legal Service Authority Noya District Legal Service Authority Chandel Gongal Nan Chandel le Tengnopal District a nikhat ading in Legal Sensitization Program khat Jani hunmat alahi Understanding Free Legal Aid and Services kiti topic a Chandel DC Complex muna hun kimat na achun DLSA Chandel Secretary Lamkholal Kipgen District Administration staff te District Police PLV's panel lawyer NGO le Chandel a Jilai Now Pangten ala upo hi Resource person B Supriya in Legal Aid le Service to kisai thugen na le mipiten Bangola paisa lulo a Legal Service muthe a hidim ti thupi mangin thugen na ala nei hi Khovel pumpi in atu COVID-19 na akipat kiven bit na ding a mimal in ibol thei thilte ngai khok thak a bol chi ding in Vahui TV la makipat in ikichelu ahi jite chu ahi le face mask bol jingding khale khat fit gu ki kaga jingding mai mi khut sop thingding chule covid dam doi ki kap theizo se ki ka ba na ki pat dam le bitagin chi goitiu avela athupite PMJVK na sepna en thading in Minority Affairs at Union Minister of State John Barlad ningasung Manipur kol jinding in Imphal tungta RIMS liter sing khat adding pressure swing absorption PSA oxygen plant khat le renal replacement therapy CRRT machine khat tuni Minority Affairs Union Minister of State John Barla le Rajya Sabha MP lengpa sanajawa le simba in hondo na ne Vahui TV Vaiphei News di sancho ehitai entu tezo silabon on mangpha